Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am W2Best and I make videos about tech, travel and inspiration. Well, the inspiration part hasn't been that big on this channel, and that has been for a reason that I wanted to target this channel a bit more towards tech and travel gear reviews, as well as tutorials for different techy things that I run into on my everyday life. But I am really into this kind of lifestyle and habit content, and I've been wanting to make a lot of this content lately, but didn't really feel comfortable to start making that and putting that onto this channel. Therefore, I finally decided that I will create a new channel, and it is called Exploring Yourself. I love the concept of exploring yourself because that means that you can look for whatever fits you and you can explore within yourself and explore the outside world to find things that make you feel happy and feel more fulfilled, and not essentially only becoming better all of the time. So I want to explore a ton of different things and share with everyone on YouTube what I find around these different things when it comes to habits and come to lifestyle choices. If you want more of my content that is not only tech related, you should definitely head over to Exploring Yourself. I will put a link in the description below so that you can find it. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. I will not be putting out videos as regularly as on this channel because I will be testing out the habits that I'm going to be talking about before I'm actually talking about the habits. But there will be monthly content, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified when my content drops. On this channel, I'm super happy to see that my Dell Inspiron 15 7000 videos have hit 400,000 views in total. And I would estimate that when they hit about 500,000 views in total, 500,000 views, that's crazy, I'm so thankful about that. When they hit 500,000 views, I'm gonna be putting out a 1-year review of the Dell Inspiron 15 7000. And during this year when I've had it, and during this year when I've been putting out, I think, 27 videos about it, I have definitely come to see that using a product for a long period of time is definitely my way of making gear content. It is so much better to produce content about a product that you have actually used than just trying it out for some time and trying to make a sensible review about it. So you can look forward to a 1-year review of the Dell Inspiron coming up sometime towards the end of May. I hope you are staying safe and healthy wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!